Buachaill, welcome to Irish by Design's SCT piano accordion collection. This collection is based on the SCT graded traditional Irish music series, designed to help you learn, enjoy and play Irish music with confidence. Enjoy the music. This is my interpretation of the tune called Buachaill Éirne. It is recorded here in the key of D major and in 3/4 time. Buachaill Éirne is a flowing, wistful melody. Play with gentle expression, as if telling a quiet story. The widely played tempo is around 60 to 70 beats per minute. If you'd like to follow the full SCT piano accordion collection, please subscribe to the channel and join me as we bring these beautiful Irish melodies to life, one tune at a time. Scrúdú Ceol Tíre, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tune and we look forward to sharing more with you very soon. And remember, as always, Irish by design.